Hello, this is Kurt from Grand Purpose Piano. You could reach us at grandpurpose.com. I'm working on a Steinway grand piano that has all frozen parts. The house was in a very humid environment, but Steinway also has the issue where either if it wasn't, the parts do freeze up because of the center pinning becoming oxidized and becoming very difficult they don't move. So here you have, it's hard to see it on the camera, but I'm just going to tell you there's a center pin in the center of this, and it's green. When I look at it, it's green. I don't know if you can see it. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lubricate this and massage it and to break up some of that verdigris that's inside there. Not only is it there, but it's also on this part, it's also here, it's all over the place. So I'm just gonna spend the time and do the labor, which a lot of guys don't want to do. Everybody wants to replace parts, and I get it, yeah, but not everybody can afford that, especially nowadays. So I'm gonna go ahead and spend the time. The products that I have are very effective, and then I'll let it sit, and then I'll check it out again in a week or so, because I'll have the job here for about 3 weeks. So you can see right now I try to bend this part, and it doesn't want to do anything. So I'm just going to quickly, with the camera on, just give you a quick demonstration of what will happen once I work it. The work, I actually can feel it breaking up as I'm doing it. That verdigris gets inside and it really makes a mess of the part, so this way it doesn't move. And now you can see, look at that. So it's really moving now. You know, that also has its downside if it's too much, but there's no choice. You know, he's going to get one or the other, and the other is not going to work, so this is the only one that's going to work. I don't believe this should make any noise, but it is very free, and that's a good thing. It's a good sign that I can do that. And then I'll go ahead, and any other parts on the whipping that I can see that looks like they might freeze up, I'm going to go ahead and I'm also going to massage, and I'm going to see if I can get other parts loosened up. If not, and I find that the parts are still frozen, then I'll go ahead and repin it. But I'll avoid doing that to start, and then go ahead. You didn't see it before, but this was pretty frozen. Now this is moving quite freely, and this is not oil, by the way. A lot of people think this is oil. It's not. It's a special product that was sold in piano supply places. Now there's a spring underneath here too, and sometimes that gets all corroded. There's a spring right underneath, and there's a spot underneath here where that spring kind of moves, and that also gets corroded. But this is all freed up, and it's moving very well. I really want to just make everything move freely, so I can start to get ahead and regulate it and make it play better. Thanks for visiting, and if you need any work on your Steinway, you can trust me. I'm going to do a great job.